In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do product research on Kalodata. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. On the results page, choose the official site. Check the URL and the branding so you know you're in the right place. Then log in to access the full research tools. Once you're inside, head straight to the Product tab. This is where you can filter the database and surface products that are already proving they sell. Think of it as replacing guesswork with data, so you focus on items with real traction instead of hunches. Before you dive into the results, set your time window to the past 7 to 30 days. This keeps your view anchored to what's moving right now, not what spiked months ago because of seasonality or a one-off viral moment. A 7-day window captures fresh momentum. A 30-day window smooths out noise and reveals sustained performance. Toggle between the two if you want a clearer picture. Next, apply your filters. Choose the category that matches your niche, like fashion or electronics, and set a practical unit price range, typically between $10 and $80. This band tends to convert well for impulse-friendly purchases while still leaving room for healthy margins after ads, fees, and shipping. If your brand skews premium or value, nudge that range accordingly, but stay intentional about conversion and profitability. Kalodata also lets you reverse snipe successful shops and creators, which means you can study what's already working for others. Switch to the Shop or Creator tabs and search for specific handles or keywords. You'll see revenue estimates, best-selling products, and the exact videos or live streams driving those sales. Look for patterns that repeat: product angles, offers, bundles, and creative styles that keep showing up across winners. When a product stands out, click into it to see which creators promoted it. Watch their videos and analyze the opening hook, the flow of the script, demonstrations, social proof, and the call to action. Note the pacing, length, and visuals they use. Pull out the principles that appear across multiple high performers and adapt them to your brand and audience instead of copying word for word. To round out your research, open the category section to rank niches by revenue. This shows where demand is concentrated right now. Then sort those categories by the number of shops to find blue ocean opportunities, high revenue with fewer active sellers. Combine fresh time windows, smart filters, competitive insights, and category rankings, and you'll build a focused, data-led testing list you can act on with confidence.